along and sing with me. J is for juice, J, juice. J is for jam, J, jam. K is for kite, K, kite. K is for kangaroo, K, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, lion. L is for lamp, L, lamp. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. M is for monkey, M, monkey. M is for moon, M, moon. N is for nest, N, nest. N is for nut, N, nut. O is for octopus, O, octopus. O is for orange, O, orange. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. P is for pig, P, pig. P is for pen, P, pen. Q is for queen, Q, queen. Q is for quail, Q, quail. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit. R is for rainbow, R, rainbow. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. S is for sun, S, sun. S is for snake, S, snake. T is for tiger, T, tiger. T is for tree, T, tree. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. U is for uniform, U, uniform. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. V is for violin, V, violin. V is for volcano, V, volcano. W is for whale, W, whale. W is for watch, W, watch. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone. X is for Xmas tree, X, tree. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Y is for yak, Y, yak. Y is for yellow, Y, yellow. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra. Z is for zoo, Z, zoo.
A is for apple, a sweet red fruit. D is for bicycle, a vehicle with two wheels. C is for cake, a sweet soft dessert. D is for doll, a toy that looks like a girl or baby. E is for elephant, a big animal with a trunk. F is for fin, a fish is swimming pond. J is for guitar, a musical instrument. H is for house, a place where we live. I is for iguana, a large green lizard. J is for jump, to lift off the ground. K is for kite, a paper toy that flies in the sky. I is for lion, the king of the jungle. L is for milk, a white drink wise. N is for ninja, a fast skilled fighter. O is for octopus, a sea animal with 8 arms. M is for pumpkin, a big round vegetable. Q is for queen, a woman who rules a country. S is for rabbit, a small animal with long ears. S is for sun, the bright star that gives us light. T is for turtle, a small animal with a hard shell. U is for umbrella, used to protect from rain or sun. V is for eggs, a container for flowers. X is for water and a big juicy summer fruit. X is for X-ray, a photo of bones inside the body. S for yo-yo, a chair that goes up and down. Z is for zebra, a black and white striped animal.
टुन टुन टुन
चल पड़ी बस,
झूमती घूमती मस्ती की बस।
हॉक बजाए पो पो पो,
सब बच्चे बोले
चलो दोस्तों चलो।
रास्ता मुड़ा बस भी मुड़ी, हंसते हंसते टोली जुड़ी। पेड़ों की छाया हवा सुहानी, बस कहानी।
सीट पे कूदी कोई हंसा, किसी ने कहा ये दिन है सजा। खिड़की से बाहर रंग बरसे,
पार्क गुब्बारे झूले हंसते। धीरे धीरे धक धक करे, बस दिल में खुशी भर दे।
गाओ बजाओ ताली साथ, बच्चों की बस सबसे खास।
चलती जाए धूम मचाए,
झूमती घूमती बस मुस्काए।